Hey guys, Harper 321 here, and I'm here with the Diamond Logan. A lot of people. The Diamond Logan, Ricky, new, Kenzie. She's cat in there. And Chino 68. I guess I don't really. He's not on, the call, but. We are here on the server I just reviewed a couple of days ago, I think 1 day ago, but it's a great server. The description will be in the below, and this is going to be a new series for just kind of being cool and just kind of working on the server. And then when the server's done, it's going to be like a free-for-all, like there's gonna be like, well, this was, I'm gonna put, Kenzie's channel in the description, same with Logan's.
And mine. What, instead of Logan's?
No, with Logan's.
Oh.
So yeah, what are we doing?
You thought he said instead of Logan's.
Yeah, of course.
And Buster's.
Oh yeah.
Just keep spamming in the game, like every 50 seconds it says sub to the,
Who?
channel of the owner.
Who?
There's a link.
Oh.
Buster.
I think I'm gonna do this. Watch how funny this is gonna be.
Should I record too? I don't know. Wait, I have
Boom.
an idea. For all of the 3 people who watch
That's
Reed's,
not me.
for the 3
Yes.
people who watch Reed's,
And L.
Reed's YouTube,
Admin.
put in the comments if you think I should record, and if one person, let's go for one person, says yes, then
It's like I don't know whose is who. Oh my god. I swear to the Lord, they need to stop texting. Like, you might see a bunch of text messages.
What is the I thingy?
What?
Thingy block. The poop block.
Yell.
Jinger.
Thanks. Tell Logan I got jailed, and thanks to the server.
You got jailed?
I jailed him. What's the command? What's the command? I think it's pardon. Oh.
Wait, you got jailed?
No. Jail. How do you, what? Unjail. Oh my god. Yell.
Oh, yes, I can. Yes, Ricky,
Now we can, barely.
Like, turn up your mic. Speak closer to the mic.
Can you hear me?
Now I can hear you.
Okay, so now you guys can hear me?
Yes. Kind of.
I'm going to play Minecraft on the Xbox.
Okay.
Okay, is that good?
Yes.
Why? Because I'm gonna play with Ari. Oh, I remember when you got...
I am using a texture pack. I will put it in the description. It's www.youtube. Yeah. It's a very cool texture pack. It's like a PvP one. I don't really use it for I just like the look of it.
Okay.
Heh.
So, I am going to play Minecraft Xbox with Ari. So I will
Okay.
get the call later.
Okay. So what are we doing today?
I'm just having fun. Is Chino in the call?
No.
Okay, good, because I'm
It's
interviewing him to random places. Like, I've been sending him to Spawn, now I'm sending him to PvP. It's pretty fun. He's, like, getting really mad. He's like, what's the S?
What in the world? It says third.
So I want to show you guys something. This is our World War II Hunger Games arena. Comment if you like it. It's kind of sucky, I guess. Like, oh, I forgot my animals here. Watch. You see these mobs? Not for long.
You could get the ICU plugin. It's really awesome.
What plugin?
The ICU plugin.
What's that?
It lets you control other players, like how they walk. Like if you found a hacker, you watched him X-ray, you could turn into him, and like he can't control anything. He can just see his screen, like he's actually playing, and you could walk into the lava and like burn all of his diamonds from X-raying.
That's
Oh, it
I like
worked!
that. What?
Life.
Are we making an underwater spawn?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
This doesn't look like a spawn.
You'll see. Look in the chest.
Yeah, so water breathing, whatever. How about now? So now, I still can't,
Yeah, it's...
okay, I'm muting him.
No, don't.
No, he spammed me. Don't spam.
I'm gonna be completely honest, that was me. I was pseudoing him. I'm sorry. I was pseudoing him.
What do you mean
You
you
were
were
what?
shooting him?
I was pseudoing him.
How do you pseudo?
Watch this. You guys want to go to spawn really fast?
I
Oh
don't
my
have-
god.
Don't do it to me.
Pseudo.
I'm in the middle of doing something.
Oh, I can't pseudo other people. Like, I can only pseudo, like, members.
Say it's Ricky, but he left.
Pseudo. Chino.
Don't do slash spawn, just do spawn. I'm having fun with this. I don't know how I can even say that with a straight face.
How do I
How you do it?
how do you do it where I can make someone say something?
Crap. I'm trying to figure that out because I'm new to pseudo.
Because I'm trying to do pseudo Chino 68. I suck. But it's not working. What are you trying to accomplish? Can I make another?
Oh my god.
Can I make a different spawn and then let's see who's better?
No, I figured out how to do it.
Figure out how to do what?
Stuff?
Is he saying anything right now?
No.
No, not right now.
Can I please make another spawn? This is horrible. I'm making another spawn. Oh, wait, wait, Kat. You said we were going. I forgot what it was called. Remember earlier today you said something that, and then Logan was going to record, and then no, not underwater spawn. Remember Logan said he was going to do that, and I said okay, then do that. Me and Kat are going to do. I forgot what you said.
I have the recording.
That's probably. Well, no, it was before the
Or
recording.
during?
It was before the recording. Okay,
I'm not sure.
I'm making a spawn, so
Can I help?
yeah. Well,
Wait, you're making spawn too?
I'm making a spawn because that's horrible.
No, this will be a swimming pool.
Fine, because that's horrible. I'm sorry.
You guys like
I
building
never
them right
liked
next to each
swimming.
other or something?
Hello.
Wait, who am I TPing to now?
Me.
Me.
Here.
Who is
Me.
me? Slash
Me.
TP
Reed.
me.
Reed
Slash
Liebman.
TP me.
Me.
Oh, someone TP'd me to him.
That was Logan.
Why'd
Please.
you pseudo me? Don't pseudo me like that. Uh-oh. Why'd you pseudo me to do that?
I did Hollow Sphere.
Someone pseudoed me. That wasn't very nice.
That's why it made 75,000 blocks. This is a little big.
You think?
Yeah. I'm gonna do 10. think that's a good,
Every time I type something, it says cannot make player fly if get allow flight is false. Every time. I can't even fly. Why can't I fly? I have to do /fly now. Great. I'm in creative too.
Yeah, that happens to me a lot.
I see someone in the H-sphere of glass.
That's me.
I'm not exactly sure who that is.
It's me.
Wait, is that Reed or is this Logan?
It's Reed.
You sound like. Okay.
But you,
can I come inside?
Yeah. Yeah, just make a hole at the top. This is gonna be spawn.
Boom. Are you sure?
Yeah.
How is it gonna be spawn?
You'll see. Watch.
I want to see what he's doing. Can you TP me to him? Because whenever I TP to him, it says that, you know? So I can't TP.
Oh.
Or can you TP
Ricky has it on peaceful.
Or he has it on, wait, TP you to Logan?
Yeah.
Doesn't Nero LP. Yeah. There. It says player not found, but I'm spelling your name right.
Prefix, I think.
Here, let me try cat. There.
I'm here.
Sil glass 10. There.
Can I make a spawn? I'm gonna make my own spawn.
Fine. We'll have a battle of the spawns in the next episode.
I'm not helping.
So I hope you guys like. Don't get like answers. I hate doing this. So yeah. This was a great starting video for us to advertise. So another advertisement. If you see this one and you haven't seen the other one, go and check out the rest of the other like I did a video. It was like yeah, so yeah, you guys can go and check this server out. It'll be in the description.
I definitely didn't edit all of this away.
And you know what? Whoever watches this, Kenzie, she came on and guess what she got? She got an admin. So you know what? I'd come on. She got admin. She got moved to admin. So you know what? I think it would be
Isn't nice. That's the only reason. If you're not nice, then don't do
yeah.
it.
You know what? So if you're nice, I would recommend coming on. But yeah. So you'll get special privileges from coming on. All you have to say is you're from my server. You found this from my. All you have to say is you came from my channel
or my channel
or Logan channel or Kenzie's channel. All of those are acceptable. So yeah. I hope you guys like. In the next episode, we will be having the Battle of the Spawns. So yeah.
Maybe we should have YouTube vote on the spawns.
Yeah. I don't think. I guess. Why the hell not? So, in the next episode, you guys can comment in the description. We'll go over at the end my spawn, Logan's spawn, and Kenzie's spawn, and you guys will comment in mine, Logan's, and Kenzie's videos whose is best. So, rate out of 10. So, yeah.
You can't rate on YouTube.
Whatever.